Alright, number 9 in your notebook is understanding exponents. Page 9, understanding exponents. Okay, so for an example like this, you have x and a small y. Okay, so x and a small y. Okay, so you have the big script here. X is the base. Okay, x is the base. Y is the exponent. Okay? And if you have something like this, 7, a big 7 and a small 3. Okay? The big script, the 7 is the base. 3 is the exponent. Alright, some examples from what you'll be asked to do today. So here's example 1. Okay, it'll have this 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, and that'll be the problem it'll give you, 8 times 8 times 8. And then in IXL, it'll have an 8 and it'll have a little box here. Okay, so it gives you the base of 8. It wants you to write what the exponent is. 8 times 8 times 8, okay, is 8 to the third power. That's what you would write in the small box. That is the exponent for the exponent. Okay, all right, 2. Let's do another one. You might have 82 times 61 times 61. Okay, and I'll have a 61 with a small box for you to put in the exponent, and an 82 with a small box for the exponent. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this. Alright, so you have 61 twice. Okay, so that's 61 squared, or 61 to the second power. 82 is only shows up once, so you put 82 to the first power. Okay, all right, 2 more examples. Here's another one, number 3. You might have something a little longer, like 14 times 31 times 28 times 31 times 2 times 31. Okay, so that's what the problem will look like. Okay, and then you have here in your answer area, it'll have a 2 with a small box, 14 with a small box, 28 with a small box, 31 with a small box. Okay, so then you got to fill in these boxes. So 2, looks like 2 shows up one time. 2 to the first power. Okay, times 14. Well, 14 only shows up one time, so 14 to the first power. 28 only shows up one time, 28 to the first power. And then 31, it shows up 3 times. Okay, so that's 31 to the third power. Okay, so that's what you would put in for your answer in IXL. And then we'll do one more. Might have something like this: 6 times x times x times x times y times 6. Okay, and it'll have a 6 with a box, x with a box, and a y with an exponent box. Okay, so here's your problem right here. it's given you. Okay, so 6, it looks like 6 is multiplied by itself twice there. Okay, so 6 squared. X looks like it shows up 3 times, so x to the third power. And y just 1 time, so y to the first power. Okay.